Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 263. If we start with this bottom row, we're only missing an 8. For this column, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 8. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 7. I don't see any help. So 6, 7, 6, 7. For this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 6. We've got a 1 here and a 5 here, so this is our 6. That 1 makes this our 5, 1. For this box, we're missing 4, 6, and 9. We got 4 and 9 here, so this is our 6. 9 here, so 4, 9. For this row now, we're missing 7 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 7, 8, 7, 8. For this row, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. For this column now, we're missing 7 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 7, 8, 7, 8. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 7. We've got a 3 covering these two boxes, so 2, 7, 2, 7. And that means our 3 has to be here. For this column, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got 5 and 8 here, so this is our 7. 8 here, so 5, 8. For this column, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. For this row, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got 3 and 6 here, so this is our 4. 6 here, so 3, 6. Oh, this 6 makes this our 7, 6. For this row, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 8, 2. That 8 makes this our 7, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1, 7, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so this is our 1. But I don't see any other help. So 7, 9, 7, 9. And for this column, we're missing 7 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 7, 9. For this column, we're just missing a 4. For this column, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 2. That 2 makes this our 7, 2. That 7 makes this our 8, 7, 9, 7, 9. And for this box now, we're missing 3, 7, and 8. We've got 7 and 8 here, so this is our 3, 7 here, so 8 and 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.